The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pittsburgh Police Department. At 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a biological bomb has been detonated on the Roberto Clemente Bridge just outside of PNC Park. The bomb has released an unidentified virus into the air. No cases have been reported yet, but all residents of the Pittsburgh metropolitan area are voluntarily advised to shelter in place. Remain indoors. Close and lock all doors and windows. Turn off all electricity, heating, and air conditioning systems. And cover up cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. The baseball game tonight between the Pittsburgh Pirates and the St. Louis Cardinals has been postponed. Stay tuned to 96.1 FM for further information on this dangerous situation. Avoid this area until the situation has been put under control. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania Department of Health. Many hospitals in the Pittsburgh metro area have seen high numbers of patients coming in infected with an unknown virus. It is believed that this disease originated from a biological bomb explosion in downtown earlier. Symptoms of this infection include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, high fever, sore throat, nasal congestion, headache, and fatigue. All residents in Pittsburgh and surrounding areas are advised to remain sheltered in place. Practice basic hygiene techniques like washing your hands and staying away from the infected, as the disease may spread to other areas. If you believe you are sick, call 911 immediately and go to your doctor due to long wait times at hospitals. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation. Stay away from Pittsburgh at all costs. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control. The virus that was first reported in Pittsburgh has spread to other states. These states include Ohio, Indiana, New Jersey, Michigan, Illinois, Wisconsin, and Minnesota. Symptoms include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, high fever, nasal congestion, headache, and fatigue. All residents in these states are strongly advised to shelter in place until further notice, because it has been confirmed that the virus is airborne and may spread to other states in the next few hours. Thousands of deaths have been reported from cardiac arrest by doctors at multiple hospitals in these states. Wash your hands with soap and water and stay away from the infected at all times because the virus spreads by physical contact. Stay tuned to your local news station for further news and information on this dangerous situation. Civil danger for the Midwestern United States. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control. The people that were killed by the virus that originated from Pennsylvania have reanimated into zombie-like creatures. These creatures are attacking the human race by biting and viciously eating them alive. Do not approach these creatures as they are extremely dangerous. These creatures are also attracted to electronic devices. The military has been deployed to try to eliminate these creatures. If you are bitten by one of these creatures, you will be infected and will turn into these creatures. All residents in the Midwest are advised to remain sheltered in place with all lights turned off. Have a battery-powered radio and tune into your local news station for further information on this dangerous and life-threatening situation. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Reports of zombie attacks have been reported in all 50 U.S. states. The virus originating out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, has spread into the entire country. These creatures were seen rising out of their graves at all cemeteries in the United States. These creatures are attacking the human race. The only way of killing these creatures is incapacitating the brain, or severing the brain from the rest of the body. The military will drop small, powerful bombs in order to kill as many zombies as they can. All residents in the United States should seek a secure shelter now. Stay tuned for further news and information on this mass hysteria. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WNBC. We will continue to serve the New York City area. If you are not in this local area, tune now to a station providing news and information to your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York City area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The President will speak on all stations shortly. The emergency alert system has been activated. This is an emergency action termination. The zombie attacks have dissipated, and the virus has been contained. All residents are free to leave shelter. Repeat, the zombie attacks have dissipated, and the virus has been contained. All residents are free to leave shelter. The government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. We will now switch to your regular scheduled programming. This concludes all activations of the emergency alert system. Regular programming may now resume. Repeat, this concludes all activations of the emergency alert system. Regular programming may now resume.